Let's just quickly highlight the stock that I'm going to present is Tata Steel itself. Again, it's breaking out. I mean, simply put, maybe just about for the first time after 8 months, starting to get its shine back. Now, what you're seeing on your screen is this downward sloping trend line, which has been in place all the way from the all-time high on Tata Steel, which was made in August of 2021. Right? About 153, 155 or so was that level. As you can see, it's downward sloping. It's held all the way. There were a couple of attempts to take this out in March of 2022. And since March, it's been 8 months. You know, in between, the stock got to lows of 80, 83, bounced back all the way to about 115, sold off once again to sub 100, another bounce above 100, sold off to under 100, and now finally we are back at this trend line once again. Actually, as of yesterday, it depends on how you draw it, but as of in intraday trade yesterday, we actually went above this and then closed slightly under it. Of course, I mean, fundamental factors we've been kind of highlighting. There was that CLSA note. Nigel has been talking about it. Global macro factors, which is, of course, the dollar being extremely weak is another powerful reason why metals perhaps are a sector which perhaps should be on your radar. Will it fail this time or will it continue moving higher? I think that is the question on Tata Steel. But perhaps, I mean, after 8 months, you get a bit of a move here. Manoj, the call was on Tata Steel. Is the F&O side of things also looking sort of good? And any additional thoughts? You have that as a call, but anything else? Yes.
Yeah, Prashant, that's a very good observation. But Prashant, ideally, this move in Tata Steel started all the way from 106 to 108. So if you just go back just 2 months, October, November expiry, I believe the strong hands of the institution side, when they enter into a stock, they choose arbitrage. A fresh arbitrage is when you buy in the stock futures and you see a relevant positioning in the current month future. So Tata Steel, I guess we have seen huge delivery-based buying, which was consistent even when, if you believe, just 2 months before the metal sector entire was underperforming, and then October onward we saw the traction coming. So Tata Steel at 106 weighted average price, that comes with the concept. We believe there has been huge infusion into strong hands, and this stock has a good potential of almost 138. But then obviously because we're into derivative trades, we give you a short-term target because that would be pertaining more to the expiry. But then yes, 106 to 138 happens to be the true standard deviation move the stock has very much. Now there are a couple of two stocks also which has got into this. Tata Motors at 384 to 388. The same concept of delivery-based buying with that additional positioning in the futures have been seen for Tata Motors, and ONGC at 136. So these three stocks we believe have been seeing the same pattern, and this has a good move of at least 18-20% in the short term.
Okay, well, thanks a lot for that. Let's just